This tutorial shows you how to temporarily disable your Facebook profile. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. Following that, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now, tap on Settings to access Account Settings. Moving forward, tap on Account Center. Afterwards, you'll see Manage Accounts at the bottom. They've moved the deactivation and deletion page after the update. In addition to that, tap on Facebook and select Manage button right beside it. Once there, tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Moreover, tap on Deactivate Account instead of Delete Account, as deletion is permanent. Afterwards, select a reason for deactivation from the drop-down menu. Then tap Continue and enter your password to confirm. Within moments, your account will be deactivated and hidden from others. And that's it. If this deactivation guide helped you take a break from Facebook, give it a like, subscribe for more Facebook tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.